Hey guys, Zoeb here from OneGlanceTrader.com and welcome back to my Babypips Forex Education video series. So we're at the elementary stage of grade 3 where we're talking about everything to do with Fibonacci. In the previous video we talked about Fibonacci trading, and again you can click the link in the top right hand corner to check out that video, or you can also check out all the videos as part of this Babypips Forex Education video series in the link below or in the top right hand corner. So this video is talking about how to use Fibonacci retracement to enter a trade. So if you go into the actual tutorial, it talks about how to calculate a swing low to swing high in an uptrend and in a downtrend, and it tells you about the different levels of the Fibonacci of where price can potentially pull back to and reverse in the direction of the trend. So the video I've looked at on YouTube is again Trading 212. I think they've got a brilliant series on all the indicators that are out there, but particularly for the Fibonacci. So that video is coming up now. So sit back and enjoy, and make sure you like the video and subscribe.
So how should you enter in an uptrend? You can use the Fibonacci retracement levels for an entry into the market. For an entry in an uptrend, you should look to see whether the price finds support at these levels. Then we suggest you wait for confirmation that the price will move back into the original upward movement and then enter. As with any technical indicator, it is better to seek additional indications to support your initial analysis so that you don't base your trade solely on Fibonacci retracements. Look for clear signals to buy or sell. For instance, wait for a candlestick to close in the desired direction to give you more confirmation on whether you should place an order. If it does form, you can place a market order at this point as you have solid reasons to believe that this level could hold. How to enter in a downtrend. Likewise, for a downward trend, you can place your entry after the price has found resistance at one of the Fibonacci levels. After you wait for confirmation that the price will move back into the original downward trend, you can place your entry order.